Good morning. Good morning, World History Cardinals. This is a two-part video today. The first one is going to tell you all about the DBQ Online app that you will need this semester, and then I'll make another one talking about today's assignment. But this is for first and third block. You need to start on your Rapid Identity page, NC EdCloud. That's where you're going to start. Then you go to Clever. Clever has a blue backdrop with a white C. Once your Clever page pops up, you're going to be looking for certain things. The outline or the icon looks like this, DBQ Online. If you don't have this on your Clever page, just go to the search bar and click in DBQ Project, and it should pop up because it comes from the district. Okay, next, I'm just going to go ahead and click on my DBQ project. That's going to take me to the dashboard for teachers. Yours is going to prompt you to join a class. That's what I'm going to give you today. I'm going to give first block and third block their class codes. First block, your class code is capital MDADN. MDADN. Third block, your code is capital UJUKD. UJUKD. Okay? Once you open those first and third block, then you're going to see that you have DBQs already in that class. Click View on the first one that says Hammurabi's code. Was it just? And then this pops up. This is the format for the DBQ Online. You will do work from this site throughout the semester. It is graded work. You will submit it on Canvas. I'm going to show you how. Always read the cover letter page. The drop-down arrow is on the left. Sometimes the directions will say do the hook exercise. If you do, you just click hook exercise and then this pops up. You do whatever it tells you to do. That will be prompted in Canvas, and it's okay. Then Canvas may tell you you need to do documents A, B, C, D, E, or the background essay. The background essay is a document that you will need to use these tools to annotate. If you click on these links, they'll give you the definitions. If you click the audio support, it will read it for you. If you scroll down and keep getting information, you'll be prepared to do the questions right beside it. You can hit the drop down button, or you can just click this right arrow. Every background essay has questions, and we normally ask you to do both. So you answer the questions, you can copy and paste. Like I just clicked Babylonia over there, you can copy and paste it here. For example, if I go back, click Babylonia, highlight it, copy it, X out of this, pardon me, X out of it, and then go back to the questions, scroll down to where I saw that Babylonia response, and I can just paste it in there. And that's not cheating. When you're defining words, that's not cheating, okay? Then you're going to go use this export button. Export work is what you want to do. You're going to click it, and it's going to prompt you to save this document to your Chrome. Most of you are already going to do it automatically. Like once you hit export, it saves it. Just make sure you memorize the title of the worksheet. So you save it, and then if you go check to see if you have more work, which you usually will have document A, Document B. See, they all have questions underneath. Document C. Like, do all of your work, hit export on each one, and then you go back to Canvas. Let me go back to the unit. You hit unit 1. You go down to the unit where you're going to use it, which for us today is lesson 5. And you go to wherever you need to submit, which is going to be right here, because they want you to do those 5 documents. It's really going to be about 6. Trust me, this work like this is, you have 5 days to do it as well. It's really easy. You don't have to worry about getting bogged down. I normally make this a formal grade, and then you're done. It's this page right here, first and third block. Unit 1, Lesson 5, Activity number 2. That's the page where it's going to have it to where you can upload your documents. At least that's what we did last time. And if not, just still hold on to it. Okay? This is not published yet, but it will be. I just wanted you to see the DBQ project. All right. Talk to you soon.